So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons. I'm going to be showing you 3 reasons why you should start and maintain a type beats channel in 2022. Now, this is going to be a video in which I'm going to be talking about all the reasons why making type beats in 2022 is a very profitable business, is a very profitable way to get your music monetized, to get your art monetized, and to get you started with getting a ton of sales through this way. Also getting a lot of recognition. Getting that kind of start is going to give you the advantage to build more connection on top of your channel, the leverage that you're going to be getting through that channel. Alright guys, so the number one thing is passive income. By keeping a type beats channel running, by starting a type beats channel, you're going to be posting these products that are going to be your beats. Your beats are going to be your products. These products are going to give you consistent income every single month if they start to show some numbers, right? If you start to earn some of the views and some of the audio streams, right? Once you start getting those streams, once you start getting those views, you're going to be getting consistent income using these products, using these beats. These beats are going to give you consistent income every single month, and you don't really have to work anymore. In addition, work is not going to be there. You don't really need to update these beats. You don't need to update any of these things, any of these sounds or whatever. You don't have to update that product. It's all going to be passive. So you're going to be sleeping while somebody's buying your beat through your store, through your automated messages, automated store. People are going to be buying your beat, and while you sleep, while you're watching the NBA, while you're playing football, right? People are going to be buying your products, buying your beats. That's passive income, and I feel like this is really it's like the number one reason why I started making online products. For example, I was good at making music. I was already making music, so I started posting these beats, started posting this music, and I got some of the connections, some of the people who were already liking my music, and I built that connection. I built an email list, and I kept selling these to these people. So that was giving me passive income because they already know my store, they already know what I do, and they already knew my name. It's like people from not just people from my local area, but also from people from the whole country, like the whole other countries, foreigners. They were all buying my instrumentals, and I thought that was great, and I was sleeping while somebody in China was buying my music, right? It's crazy. So I feel like this is one of the reasons why you should start making music and start posting music on your type beats channel. It's gonna give you that passive income way, and once you get hooked on passive income, man, it's like you don't even want to work anymore. Like, you don't want to do anything else but creating these income streams. All right, this is the number one reasons. Alright, so the number 2 reason why I think you should start and maintain a type beats channel in 2022 is going to be building, it's going to help you build connections, right? You're going to be building a lot of connections using the name that you put out there. So you put your music out, you put your music online, you put your music on BeatStars, YouTube, you put your music over there. If someone likes your music, someone wants to connect with you, if an artist want to connect with you, they can just go ahead and hit you on your Instagram, hit you up on your Twitter, email. They can just get connected to you, and then you can start sort of building that exchange of value. I feel like this is the perfect way. I don't see a reason why starting a beginner producer should not post type beats, should not post beats on their channel, on their own personal channel. I feel like this is actually going to give you someone who's going to listen to your music is going to give you that authority. Someone's going to know, all right, this guy makes like massive beats, like really hard-hitting beats. Like his 808 go crazy, right? His trap hi-hats go yeah, any of those things. His snares are like really, really crispy and all that. It's gonna give you that authority. It's gonna give you a name in that a couple of friends, they're making music and they want beats, and they look up your beats, and then somehow they get your beats somehow, and they stumble across your music, and they're gonna be like, wow, this is great, okay? And then they're gonna hit you up and say, hey man, I loved it, and here's my whatever, here's my email, let's just go ahead and start working. And then you build that connection. There you go. You build that connection just from your type beats. There's someone finding your beat, man. I can't even I remember I met so many dudes who were I didn't even know that they didn't even speak English. I knew a friend. He wasn't even good at speaking English. He was speaking French. He didn't know how to speak in English. He'd probably translate using Google Translate, and he would just text me and say, hey man, really, really poor way of translation, and I wouldn't understand half of the thing, but I feel like it's a way, somebody who's not even speaking your language is listening to your music. It's crazy, it's so crazy, right? And you're not taking advantage of that. It's gonna be a shame. It's gonna be a shame. So you gotta post. You gotta start posting music. You gotta start creating your income stream in 2022. Even though there are a ton of producers who are doing the same thing, it doesn't matter. There's always a new genre, always something to better on. Do you know how many books are there? How many self-help books are there? And they're still writing these books, right? Why are they writing these books? Why I don't know. They're still writing it, and people buy it. Somehow it becomes a bestseller, and it's if they're being bestsellers, guys, there's no way you should not put your products. If new producers coming in, selling their beats, getting placements, getting sales, why you can't do that? You just have to perfect your craft. You just have to really, really polish your craft and pick a niche, pick a way where you can shine, and just go hard. The third and the final reason why I think you should start posting your music, you're posting your instrumentals, beats online in 2022 and start selling them, is going to be feedback. So you're going to be getting a ton of feedback from other producers. You're going to be getting a ton of feedback from other artists, right? When you start posting a lot of music, someone is probably going to go ahead and listen to it very carefully and give you the feedback, the way, if you make a really, really good beat and you don't even know it's a good beat. Sometimes I make a beat and I don't even like it, but I put it out just for the fun of it. And when I see it, I see 100 people saying, hey man, this is great. And I'm like, man, wow, I didn't even like that. I didn't even like that, and these people aren't liking it. And I see I see a lot of sales coming in from that. And man, I honestly don't even know. Half the beats that I make, I don't even like them. But I feel like one man's trash is another man's treasure. That's what that would sum the whole thing up. And I feel like you're going to be also getting a ton of feedback once you start posting it regularly. Once you find that particular style of yours, and you start posting there, you start posting your music, whatever music you're really good at making, you're going to be getting a lot of feedback as well. Not a lot, but probably few people are probably gonna start commenting on your videos and say, hey man, I didn't like the 808, maybe you should change it, right? And then you can say, hey man, what you didn't like in that 808? Is it, oh no, your 808 is too loud, you should probably just use an EQ to lower it down. And same way, you're gonna be getting a lot of feedback from a lot of people, which is great, which is what you want. Like, some beats are not gonna get as many thumbs ups, so you know that no one's liking that. It's not as good. If a beat is getting considerably a lot of likes, that that it's actually good in quality. So that's the number 3 reason why I believe you should start maintaining a type beats channel in 2022. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for this video, and I hope you found value. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification, so whenever I post my next video, you're going to be getting the notification. And also a quick reminder, guys, I'm actually putting out a different type of series where I'm going to be dissecting all the newer producers. I'm sorry, not even the newer producers, like already the established producers who have gained a lot of success in their field, success in their particular style, particular niche in music. And I'm going to be going through the ways that they did it, and the ways what you can actually learn from them, and how they actually make their music, what you can learn from them, all these type of things. I'm going to be going through all that, and I'm going to be creating that new series. And so if you're interested in that, please let me know in the comments that you are interested in that, and I will see you next time. Take care.